You know, it's probably because of Aunt Jen's wonderful picture idea.
Yeah, my stupid picture. I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, we got hooked in.
Yeah. Oh man. Oh, my knee. Oh.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looked like you could have twisted it.
I know. I was so worried I twisted it. Like,
Right before Sugarloaf.
right before our vacation. Stop. Alright, I have to get my car.
So, do you want to do Grand Prix? Are you okay?
Me?
Both of you.
I'm fine with whatever.
What about you?
I gotta stop.
Oh wait, Chris, yes, grab me.
Okay. That was fun, yeah? That was awesome. I got you doing a good spray there too.
Yeah, just at the bottom.
Yeah. Well, you did a spray and then you went zooming down.
Yeah, I was spraying a lot when I was going down because I'd like go down pretty fast and then I'd slam on my toes.
Yeah.
How was it?
It was good.
I liked it.
Good.
It gets a little scary when it gets like the shadows like cover the snow.
Yeah.
But you just got to go over it. Colin bombed it. Did you see him?
What?
At the end there, he just bombed it.
I did it.
Yeah.
I was out farther.
He went zooming. I could hear him behind me. I'm like, uh-oh. And then he gets to the right of me and he sprays snow and then he goes zooming.
I had to wait a bit. So the guy wanted to go, so we went. And then my ski was feeling like weird. I had to make sure it was buckled in.
Yeah?
I'm gonna go on the right side.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
Good
because
idea.
you're